My name is Ashish Sharma, representing company CET Enviro Private Limited. The company is basically from Israel. So we are bringing Israeli technology in the field of energy and water saving. The technology which we are showing it here is the one is non-chemical treatment of the cooling tower, basically which eliminates the usage of the chemicals. Without using a single drop of chemical, we can maintain your cooling tower water parameter. And second is the improvement of the efficiency of the water cooled condenser. So with the help of the technology again from Israel, which improves the efficiency of condenser by keeping the condenser tube always clean. The technology what we are showing here, showcasing here, both are the green technologies, and we have more than 3,000 installation across the country in India. Very important thing is the return of the investment. The product what we are selling, the ROI on this product is always less than a year. So our customers are able to save huge quantity of water, and this is a sustainable solution what we are offering. So they are saving water, they are eliminating the usage of the chemicals, and definitely yes, they are generating huge amount of additional revenue to the company by increasing the efficiency of their water cooled condenser. Yeah, this company is basically we are operating in India since last more than 8 years, and as I shared, we have more than 3,000 installation today across the country. We have installation across the country. When we talk about the price and all these things, this all depends upon the basically capacity of the power plant, condenser, the cooling tower. So based on that, this is basically we decide the price of whatever is going to be the price. Because circulation of the how much is the circulation of the water, that is also a key factor for deciding the price. No, these are the products which are suitable for any industry where you can say shell and tube type of heat exchanger are used. Cement, metal, paper, then oil and gas, thermal power plant, all the places we have installation, and this is very useful to all these customers.